I'm working on here today is an AC condenser on the outside, and it is filled with cottonwood seeds, and we're going to clean that off because the efficiency is pretty terrible. Okay, on your disconnect here, we'll go ahead and lift this up. There's this black piece here. I'll wiggle that out. That'll cut all the power to it there. Do not touch anything inside there. Next, I'm going to go and take this top fan shroud off. Now with that out of the way, I'm going to go and take this little decorative guard off of there. Next, what I'm going to do is just take a little bristle brush here. Nothing too harsh. I'm going to go and clean what I can off of here. Then I'm going to take a hose from the inside out to clean the rest of it off. Okay, got that all sprayed out, and got the little shroud here cleaned off. We'll go ahead and put it back together. Okay, now I'll put the top on. And I'll replace the screws all the way around. Okay, it's all back together. We'll go and put the power disconnect back in.